Hi, your name?
My name is Dawn Baker.
Okay, and I see you're holding the FHB, Female Hormonal Balance, in your hand.
Sure I am.
Tell me a little bit, when did you first try this?
I started this a month ago.
Okay, and tell me what happened.
Recommendation. Within days, I felt myself calmer. When I felt myself getting frustrated, I was able to actually just calm the feeling and move on with my day. And I didn't have my high blood pressure. It was absolutely wonderful. And every day since, I don't get upset anymore. I don't let things bother me. I'm sleeping better. Everything is awesome with this product.
So do you feel like your life is coming back?
I do. I
Okay.
do. Nothing bothers me anymore.
So a lot of women do go through the hormonal imbalance, and
Yes.
what this does is rebalance everything back to normal. So how would you rank this product from 1 to 10?
Oh, definitely a 10.
And
Definitely a 10.
have you recommended it to other people?
I have a couple girls at work I've recommended, and they have tried it, and they are going to be purchasing it also.
Okay, and
Yes.
what about the taste? Can you get over the taste?
The taste is not bad at all. It's actually, to me, it's very good. I put it in a cup of green tea, iced tea in the
Okay.
morning,
Okay.
and it's delicious. I
Sure.
absolutely have no problem with the taste,
And
and I'm
you-
very picky.
And you intend to use this for a while?
Oh, yes, as long as I can. So.
All right. Well, thank you for the
Yes.
feedback, and thank you for sharing it.
Absolutely.